Yan. Hello everyone, it's me again, and from my channel, another vlog. Welcome back. So today we're going to teach you how to apply at Preply. So first, you're going to type Preply application, click, and then click this become a tutor. For you to earn money. So you're going to sign up. If you have an email, just click this Google. And then you're going to click again your account. Of course, we're going to fill in the blanks. So first name, last name, your email, your country. For example, Philippines. Or you can type it. Philippines. And then your language spoken. Your level. I'm level B2. For example. So the language or the subject thought is subject is English. I'm gonna describe my English experience by, for example, formal teaching experience. If you have taught in an academy or offline, you can also say it's an informal or ESL company. It's your choice. Describe your current situation. For example, para matanggap ka, I have another non-teaching job. So you can put your number here, 0956. And then I'm over 18. Next page will be the photo. All you have to do is to upload the photo here. And for example, I have here a photo. Pictures. Okay, for example, I have a photo from downloads. For example, this one. I think ang tinatanggap nila is yung di masyadong edited like this. Kahit half. And then, sobrang laki ng na-upload ko. Ito. For example lang. Sample. And then, pwede mo siyang i-zoom and then i-rotate, ganyan. Next one will be your certification. Okay, so you have subject English certificate. I have a certificate TEYL. And issued by what company or saan kayo nag-ano. Then yung dito nyo i-upload yung certificate. Yan. And then yung years of study, kailangan halimbawa to 2021 up to 2022 kayo nag-aral. O kaya naman 2022 to 2022. And, you can add another certificate. For example, TESOL. Ano yung subject? English. Anong certificate? Yan. IELTS, ganun. Next. Okay. Kailangan mo kasi punuin. Blah, 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 kunyari. This one is about university naman. You can tell your students more about your higher education. For example, MA ka nung university. For example, Batangas State University. Bachelor's degree in what? In English language. Choose degree type, teaching degree, specialization, and years of study. For example, I don't have higher degree. Next natin. Description of English speaking students. For example, certified tutor with 5 years of experience. You can also put here your brief interest. Hello, my name is Anne. I'm from the Philippines. And I have 2 certificates here. Describe niyo yung teaching certificate and kung ano yung methodology niyo sa buhay. Also, the things you want to say to your students, how to motivate them, paano sila mag-book ng trial class sa inyo, for example, ganun. Next natin. Ala, so dami. Ayan. Ayaw niya mag-next kasi kulang ata. Different language. Dito sa description is need natin, for example, kasi nilagay ko dyan is ito na lang, copy natin. Ayan. And then, hello, I'm Anne. Hello, ganun. Ayaw niya mag-next kasi kailangan niya ng 400. Sige. Try natin mag-search. Hello, introducing your shop. Ayan. Sample. Ayan. Ayan. Kung halimbawa ganyan. And then, my name is Anne. Ito. And then, ito. For example, next natin, video. So, dito magbi-video ka na. Itatest mo yung camera. And then, if ayaw mo pa, pwede mo naman siya ituloy the next day. Another thing is, dito sa sunod, availability. Ilalagay mo lang kung ano yung availability mo hours and yung pricing. Ilalagay mo, mas maganda kasi yung i-price dyan is $6 per hour or pwedeng mas mababa. Yung iba nga, kapag matagal na, pwede na nilang palitan yung pricing. And then the next video, part 2, I'm gonna share with you kung paano ako na-hire. Ayan. So, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this helps. Congratulations! Bye!